Hello guys and welcome. I hope that you're doing well. My name is UHDking or I play 4K, AK, I play 8K, AK, I play 16K, and during this video I decided to go ahead and show you a little bit of a sneak preview in the GPT-3 AI, and I'm going to ask it to it's integrated as OpenAI, and I'm going to ask it to write a Viber instance of utilization of the Viber API in C# language. Let's go ahead and have a look. But keep in mind that I'm going to create a session. It's going to be a live session available over UHDking.com, where we're going to use the AI and we're going to develop an application in C# language or in JavaScript. I'm still deciding. Okay, so it's going to be a nice computer science experiment over UHDking.com. So let's go ahead and have a look. I'm going to get here and I'm going to ask AI, please show me the example of Viber in C#. Okay. Tells me that it is not possible to create Viber application using C#. However, here's the Viber bot. So it's going to create a bot that's going to be pretty much automatically answer and probably write the messages. Incoming messages, listening, start listening incoming messages. As you can see, AI right now is writing the C# code. This is done by AI, this is not by me. And it's commenting, so it's starting listening incoming messages, so it's going to listen the incoming messages and answering the incoming messages. So it tells me that I cannot write the whole Viber in C# because it look like AI a little bit confused. This is the beta of the OpenAI GPT better version than GPT-3 version on another level, but still not GPT-4 version. This is the beta, and it's creating an example how to write in C# language the bot on a Viber that's going to listen, answering the phone calls, and calling on Viber. Okay, just an example. But keep in mind, guys, that over UHDking.com we're gonna go through it as computer science, and as you can see, somehow what I see that AI is not closing the class, the last class when it's typing, but it's done. It's always not closing because I ask multiple examples by the AI to go ahead and write for me on all kind of different topics on C# language, and when it's writing the C# language, the last line of the code should be close the class or find the class, and it's not doing that. So you gotta close the class, otherwise it's not going to execute. So let's go ahead and have a look at this code, guys. If you C# programmer, as you can see, so clean. On the top of it, it's commenting. Look at this, everything is commenting. It's writing all the classes, I mean all the methods, and commenting even every single variable. This is unbelievable. So this thing will replace the software developers, and but I still believe that it's going to be administrators. So it's going to be a new field created that's going to be AI administrators. I believe it's going to be in the end of 2023. It's going to be new positions, and 2024, 2025, companies in the United States of America and in Western world will start hiring the AI administrators. So the AI administrators, this is what I believe as software developer, will replace the software developers, and pretty much you're gonna ask the AI to write you the code, and you must have a knowledge of the coding, let's say in that type of language. But you're gonna ask, it's gonna write it up. So for me to write something like that will take maybe as minimum 1 hour. But for me, just because I didn't program, let's say for 8 months, I probably will take like 3-4 hours. and I gotta do the researches and such. But look at this, AI is commenting at the same time, writing code perfectly. And right now, all what you gotta do, as you can see, it's using some dependencies, which is the C# dependencies native. You gotta copy it, transfer to the C#, close the bracket. As you can see, somehow in C# it's not closing the bracket, but this is the beta version. And then execute it as application. You can do as a console application, so it's going to write on the server as a Viber bot, so it's going to call the people, send them the text, and it's going to accept the incoming text as you saw right here. It says so under the comments, and this is what the AI decided to show me, and then I will decide what to use. I can ask the AI to go ahead and advance this code, but as again guys, this is a sneak preview, and more information about it will be available over UHDking.com. Go ahead and learn the computer science with the UHDking, aka I play 4K, aka I play 8K, aka I play 16K. So as again, not only gameplays, gaming, 16K UHD, the world's first 16K video resolution on YouTube, but we're gonna go through the programming, software development, web development, graphics design, 3D animation, modeling. Yeah, so you don't want to miss it. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching that. Don't forget to smash the like button. I just show you as fast as possible how AI will replace the programmers, okay? So those people blah, 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 all the time, copycats copy each other, and I just show you an example as the developer. This is, guys, unbelievable. So it will replace the software developers, and because look at this, less than a minute, it wrote me the whole application, the Viber bot, and it told me that it's impossible to write the whole Viber on a C#, but you can manipulate and you can write something else. It's just exactly the Viber, because AI knows exactly what is the Viber, because the Viber is written in different languages, and it just the whole infrastructure and the approach is different, but it gave me some solution at the same time, and this is probably what you're looking. You don't want to recreate the Viber. I mean, you want to recreate the Viber, but most likely if you're asking the Viber, AI understood that you want to create something, and it giving you the bot, which is the best assistant that's going to assist you, and then you can paste this code and run it as a server, or you can create even the application, but do not ask the C#, ask C object oriented for iOS or something like that, and it's going to go ahead and do that, or any other languages. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Today you learned something new, and we're going to advance this, okay? Because as I told you, I'm studying the AI right now currently through all kind of different manipulations, such as I'm studying AI as a software developer, so it's going to help me as a tool. I'm studying AI as graphics designer, so it's going to help me as graphic designer, as 3D artist, while I'm going to recreate the games, and it's coming out. I'm creating my cinematic mode for Quake 1, Quake 2, Quake 3 PC games, and Stalker Call of Pripyat cinematic mode. Most likely I'm going to use a lot of AI, guys, okay? And AI going to redraw. AI can also draw and redraw the images. It's just unbelievable, guys. But more about it will be available over the UHDking. So as again, don't forget to smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.